So we all know the what happens when an opera, what happens to the opera in a house where father agomo had the dukwandi chief, their ancestors are all over the place. Well, everybody knows at this point that the young man and when the fire water because now in responsibility at that point, because in the happen say if your father know they do something enwezike obuze go can teach ya si this feature will be so okpara we nne ade do come more nyawa na eme at your own risk. Now the question of this video is, what is the female equivalent of a home of that okpara now anade dokwa ndi ichie? So a woman now another way her family are they dokwa. What happens? I don't know yet for certain because I know be asa. But what do you think? What do you think happens? I have ideas, but what do you think happens for certain?
This track is dedicated to the young Ofeke who has gone to hustle, taking risk without backing. Before Ofeke Emekwanagi.